Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be doing a Monster High the Movie inspired nail art. On my index nail, I'll be doing Claudine Wolf, and it's mainly inspired by the poster. I'm mixing in 3 colors and I'm going to dab it onto my nail with a sponge. After applying layers of it to make it opaque, I am now adding black blobs. I am doing this to create an animal print look. And for the finishing touches, I'm stamping this half moon shape. On my middle nail, it's going to be inspired by Draculaura. Then I also added a black heart. And on my ring nail, it's going to be inspired by Frankenstein. I'm stamping this lighting design and I'm painting it pink. Then let's add a stitch drawing. For my pinky and index nail, it's gonna be inspired by the Monster High logo. And after all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!